International news. A manipulated wall shared by a lone mask mimics Vice President Kamal Harris' voice. Thank you.
From grade 7 Topaz, brought you national news. Congress High Command summons Karnataka CM to Deputy CM to Delhi. Thank you.
State India and today State and Sports News. State News. Telangana CM says his government communicated to bring out irregulars, power and deals with projects. Sports News. Second T20 India vs Sri Lanka. India beats Sri Lanka by 7 wickets. Thank you. From grade 7 Topaz taught. Humbleness is next to godliness. I'll repeat it again. Humbleness is the next to godliness. Thank you. Brought to you by Hambika Varada, grade 7 Topaz. Word. Splendid, meaning beautiful. Friends, please spell after me. Splendid. Splendid. S-P-L. S-P-L. E-N. E-N. E-I-D. Splendid. Splendid. Thank you.
Grade 10 Topaz. Today I wanted to deliver a speech on a story which was said by our Rajat sir in our 9th class. Story name is The Thief Story. There was a thief who was roaming in the villages and searching for a good person who wanted to steal or thief money and jewels. So he was searching in the villages. He got one person called Anil. The thief name was Harry Singh. He got a person called Anil who is quite opposite to him. He was doing good to others, he was helping others and he was having some good nature. So he wanted to travel with Anil and wanted to steal his money or jewels from him. So he thought that after some time he would take his money and go away by catching a train. So he was traveling with Anil. He first came to Anil and said that I am a poor man, I am 13 years old. I lost my parents at 5 years old and I am working very hard. I am working very hard to live here. So Anil was thinking that okay, he is a poor man, he doesn't have any money to live here, so I will give some job to him. He asked to Hari Singh, do you know to cook? Then he said that, yeah, I know to cook. Then he said to cook. After some time he had cooked one food. But the food which he had cooked, Anil Singh does not like it, did not like it. So he gave that food to dogs. After some time he said that you are waste for anything. You doesn't know how to cook. You said me lies. So please get lost from here. So Hari Singh was requesting Anil to I will stay here. I will learn everything. So Anil gave one chance to Hari Singh. Hari Singh said, okay, I'll learn everything and I'll be ready with you to stay with you. Then Anil taught him to read and write, and how to cook also he has taught him. Then afterwards, when Anil was a writer, he was a writer and he was narrating stories, and he was writing his stories and selling it, publishing. He was publishing it. He used to get our daily wages for one book. He got some money and he kept that money under his bed. Hari Singh thought that this is the correct time to steal money and go out from him. He was thinking that after stealing money, he used to go to a train station and he used to escape from by train. It was a train was there from that place to Goa, I think, and he stole that money and he was running to the train station. It was raining at the outside, and when he reached the train station, train was started moving, and he thought to jump into the train and move from here. When he is trying to enter the train, something was no, not to move friend. Then he was thinking that no, it's wrong. A person who is honest to us should be honest to them. So he thought that again, if you go to, we'll stay here and we'll go after some time. He thought that he used to go to hotel and stay there for night. Then he thought that if you go to hotel at this time, at the night time, midnight, they'll ask your information and they'll ask, you are 13-year-old boy, how you can come this much to here? They'll ask your parents and other things. So he does not want to go to a hotel, and he went back to Anil's house and kept the money under his bed. Anil knows these things what Hari Singh did. Next day when Hari Singh woke up, Anil was having 750 rupees, which was published by a book. Anil gave half amount to Hari Singh to leave. Then Hari Singh said that yesterday I have taken your money and went out. Yeah, I also saw. The moral of this story is, if you be good to others, God will do good to you. Thank you.
Today I'm going to share a story. The story name is The Rabbit and the Tortoise. Once upon a time, in a jungle, there were so many animals. But one day, a rabbit showed up with a turtle. And the rabbit says, "Hey, you stupid turtle, can you race with me?" And the turtle said, "No, I can't. I'm so slow." And the turtle said, "If I win, what would you give?" He said, "I'll give you a cup." And the rabbit said, "I'll give you a cup." And the tortoise took that challenge. And the next day, the race would start. And the rabbit was thinking, "Oh, that turtle is so slow, I can easily win this race." And the bear said, "Go." The rabbit went so fast, but the tortoise's tail was scared. And so far, the rabbit was so tired, and he took some rest. But the turtle did not take rest. It was running however it is, and it saw the rabbit sleeping. He is going so slow because if he waits, he can run fast again. And he went so slow and he won the race. He was near to win, and the rabbit woke up and saw that it is nearly to win. faster and faster, but the tortoise won the race. The moral and the rabbit was so sad he lost the race with a slow turtle. And the moral of the story is do not be overconfident. Today I am going to say a speech about my mother. I got inspired by my mother, and when I was small, my mother was making me inspired. So when I do wrong things, my mother tells the correct things. One time, my father was going to another place, so I was crying so much. So my mother told that your father will come soon again. Be okay. If you do good things, the God will do good things to you. When he came to the world, he gave me a big gift. So I was very happy. When I became big, my mother and father went to Kurnool. My father's health was not good. So I was crying every day in the home. I asked my grandmother to call my parents. When I called my mother, she told I am very busy. Your father is making me very busy. So your father will be soon very good back. You can come to see on Sunday, my mother told. So I came to see, but I didn't have time to see my father. So one day I waited, and my mother told, if you wait, you can get good things. So I waited till one day. On the next Sunday, my mother called me and told that I will call video call. So I was very happy about my father. The moral is be patient and you will get good things from God. Thank you. Myself, Kailash. Today I am going to tell a speech on history of Gadwal. Gadwal is a city and Gadwal district in the Indian state of Telangana. It is located 188 kilometers from the state capital Hyderabad. Gadwal historically served as the capital of Gadwal Samsthanam, a vassal of the Nizams of Hyderabad. Gadwal was previously a part of the Raichur region of Hyderabad, Karnataka. Thank you.
1994, 76, 95, 95, 196, 196, 112, 197, 133, 198, 197, 133, 198, 152, 199, 171, 1910, 119. Thank you. 19 are 50, 57, 19 4s are 76, 19 5s are 95, 19 6s are 114, 19 7s are 133, 19 8s are 152, 19 9s are 171, 19 10s are 190.
take your line.